Hey guys, what is going on with Kadyrov? Was he bitten by Ukrainian combat mosquitoes? Your thoughts? It has intensified. The battle for Bakhmut. Destruction of Russian Tu-S-1 Gvadika self-propelled howitzer disguised as a garbage dump by the 59th Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. The Air Force of the Armed Forces of Ukraine showed how the MiG-29 works on enemy positions with HARM missiles.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.